Interrupted with the Commonbase Library DLL blocking localized application core base workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. Access the official Commonbase Library diagnostic resource now for a faster system configuration. This is the Commonbase Library, a foundational shared library providing localized unmanaged utility routines for localized application cores. It typically houses localized string manipulation, localized memory logging, and localized basic input-output shims shared across different modules of a software suite. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. To resolve this, keep in mind that Commonbase Library DLL is typically installed with localized application core base. Reinstalling the latest version of localized application core base from the official developer source will restore any missing or corrupted application files, including the missing library. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Commonbase library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Safety is paramount. Never attempt to replace Commonbase Library DLL with binaries found on unverified download portals that lack quality control and often distribute files incompatible with modern Windows security updates. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. The link below references a resource for reviewing workstation health and Commonbase library synchronization. If this diagnostic helped you resolve Commonbase library error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.